Hello student, today we are going to discuss production of sulfur in P block element. Sulfur occur in the nature free as well as combined state. In free state, they are occur in the allotropic form of sulfur. Sulfur occur main three allotropic form. First is rhombic sulfur, it is also known as alpha sulfur. Second is monoclinic sulfur, it is known as beta sulfur, and third is plastic sulfur. First of all, we are going to discuss rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is yellow colored. It is the most common form of the sulfur. It is formed by slowly evaporating the solution of raw sulfur. Raw sulfur, there are the raw sulfur in carbon disulfide. They are formed octahedral crystal is called rhombic sulfur. It is also known as alpha sulfur. Rhombic sulfur most stable form of sulfur at room temperature. It is insoluble in water but dissolved in benzene, alcohol, and ether. It is highly soluble or readily soluble in carbon disulfide. It has low thermal and electrical conductivity. Its melting point is 385.8 Kelvin and exists in S8 molecules. Exists in S8 molecules. It means 8 atoms of sulfur combined to form is a sulfur molecule. It is crown-like shape, is speckled ring and has crown shape like this. Another form of sulfur is monoclinic sulfur. It is known as beta sulfur. It is dull yellow, while alpha sulfur is bright yellow, but monoclinic sulfur is dull yellow. It is formed of sulfur is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling till a crust is formed. Two holes are made in the crust. On removing the crust, colored needle-like shape of crystals known as beta sulfur is formed. Beta sulfur soluble in carbon disulfide, insoluble in water. Its melting point is 393 Kelvin and also exists as 8 molecules, also like rhombic sulfur. It 8 atoms of sulfur consist to form a single molecule of S8. Note, there are special features to the stability of rhombic and the monoclinic sulfur at the temperature. Alpha sulfur is stable below 369 Kelvin, and when increase the temperature, it is converted into the beta sulfur. We can say that alpha sulfur is stable below 369 Kelvin, while beta sulfur or monoclinic sulfur is stable at above 369 Kelvin. But both of the form of sulfur, monoclinic and rhombic sulfur, are stable 369 Kelvin. This temperature is called transition temperature. Whenever anybody asks you what is transition temperature, you can say that the both of the allotropic form of sulfur, rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur stable at 369 Kelvin is called transition temperature. That's clear. Another form of sulfur is plastic sulfur. Why is called plastic? This is because they have tendency to flow like liquid. It is also known as supercooled plastic. It is obtained by pouring molten sulfur into cold water when a soft rubber-like mass. They have uh, amorphous form of sulfur. It is soft like elastic and has no sharp melting point. It is also insoluble in sulfur di carbon disulfide. That's clear. These are the three. This is the structure of the S6. This is the structure of the X6 form of the sulfur. Like chair shape, rolling chair shape. That's clear. Okay, next topic sulfur dioxide. We will discuss our next video. Thank you.